love this weather out in California today.
It feels really good to be back in California.
Right on.
Yeah, we've been in cold weather for a while now. We're all getting over colds, so.
Don't you hate that, especially like being on a bus? Like you might get the flu, and then you'll give it to 8 other guys, and then by the time you'll have it again, and everybody else won't. It's just dominoes.
Yeah.
So what do you do to like not make that happen?
I take a lot of vitamins and get a lot of sleep when I can, but I don't know.
Have you heard of Airborne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I took a lot of Airborne, but
true
maybe
or false?
I think I've been taking too much.
True or false? Is it true that a teacher came up with Airborne?
I think it's true. That's what they advertise.
It's true. It's true, but you know.
They can't lie on TV.
Yeah, can they? No. So you guys are on this tour with Cobra Starship, The Cab, We the Kings. How's it going so far? And I heard you guys have sold out shows the rest of the way. That's awesome.
I think every show so far has been sold out, and yeah, and a lot of them. I don't know if all of them are, but maybe.
Yeah, check
all the future ones. So yeah, it's awesome. It's cool.
And We the Kings play a lot of Halo. So I mean, are you into games at all? I mean, you have to play once or twice, I'm sure.
On our last tour with Motion City, I bought a PSP and it got stolen in one of our venues, along with like a couple of people's iPhones.
Ah.
And I decided maybe I should, you know, put away video games for a while and just work on stuff like music again.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you guys have been doing, like you said earlier, you did stuff, you go on tour with Motion City Soundtrack, Danger Radio, like all these awesome bands. You'd be going out with Panic at the Disco in the UK?
Yeah, for like 5 shows.
So
right the day after this tour ends.
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
So
I don't know how it all got hooked up, like through our, whoever, our manager or
I'm not going to argue or look into it.
booking agent, but yeah, I'm not going to argue.
Yeah, no, sorry, Panic. Well, how'd this happen? No, so how do you guys kind of come about? I mean, you guys are a fairly new band. You guys been playing for a while?
About a year and a half now, I guess, but it was just kind of like through Trace and Mason, our 2 singers, met each other, started writing together, and then found me on MySpace. And then we started playing shows with just the 3 of us, and then eventually, and writing a lot, and then eventually got a drummer, and then everything just happened really fast. We started touring, and we did an album really quick, so.
And I've been asking everybody, like MySpace, you said MySpace, YouTube, Facebook. Also, I'm going to ask you this. How do you think that's impacted the music industry? Do you think it's made it better or harder for bands to get their stuff out there?
Oh, I think it makes it a lot easier, yeah. Definitely, because people share it. If you have a good song or whatever, people will put it on their page, and then their friends will want to know who it is, and it just spreads really fast. So that's what happened with us.
And do you think, now ladies, if you want to write this guy on MySpace, do you guys check your MySpace? Do you write back to fans?
Our like music MySpace gets so much stuff going on that it's hard to keep up with it. But my personal page, I always at least read the messages, and sometimes I'll respond. I try to.
What's been like the craziest like moment so far? Have you had any like crazy like fan moments where they bring you a T-shirt and it says like has your face on it and you don't know how they got that picture of your face?
Oh, actually, I just got a message. Sometimes I check my MySpace on my phone. You just reminded me. I just got a message from a girl who made a purse for her friend that says Metro Station on it. So I have to go check that out.
That's cool.
But yeah, we get a lot of cookies and cupcakes and stuff like that.
Right on. So hopefully that doesn't lead to your flu-ness. You want to settle down on eating too many of those, right?
That's true, I try.
Always take Airborne or Excellence after that or something. But so what's coming up in 08? I know 08 just started off, so I know Panic at the Disco, UK tour, this tour.
Yeah, we're going out with like, there's a Bamboozle Road show that Saves the Day and a few other bands that we're touring with. Like starting in March, mid-March I think. We just did a video for our song Control, which I hope will come out soon.
What's that like?
It's like a party. It was seriously like 10 hours of partying. It's fun. It was crazy. So when we shot the video, so yeah, it's just like a party scene.
Well, right on. So you got that, a bunch of good tours coming up. So gonna be on tour Save the Day. Those guys are freaking rad. Check them out. Well, Blake, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Right on. Video Matt signing out. Metro Station, Blake, check him out. MySpace. He'll even write to you if you hit him up on his personal one. Peace.